Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to ship in Etsy. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow this article on in the help center of Etsy. And basically this is how to ship your items on Etsy. And basically first you will need to understand some shipping basic. And whenever you are creating a shipping strategy, so basically you will need to consider the shipping delivery option and times, workflows like processing the items, printing the labels, give them to the shipping carrier, etc. Then you will be needing like together the shipping material, like the packaging and all the other stuff. And then you will be needing to have some shipping policies and shipping profiles. You can do that by creating your shipping policies from your shop manager and the settings. So basically now you will be needing first to fulfill order. And fulfilling orders and shipping packages can be a time-consuming task. And basically you can start like creating shipping profile. And to create shipping profile, you can simply go to the shop manager, go to settings, and from here you will find shipping settings. And basically from here you will be able to add shipping profile. So you can add a profile for your shipping. Here I already have some preset profile by Printful and Printify, etc. And you can also do them manually. Now, to set up your shipping policy, you will do the same. You will need just to go to your settings, and basically here you will find the policy settings, and you can find uh, you can create a policy, and it can concern your shipping. And here you will find like cancellation, privacy, and fixed policies, etc. So after that, you will be needing just like to choose your carrier, and then you will be able to start add all these items or all this information. You will start add them in the orders when you fulfill them. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.